Did you know that you can earn up to $750 or more in PayPal Cash every 30 minutes for free? You don't need any experience at all to get started. This opportunity is available worldwide. All you need is your computer, laptop, tablet, or even your phone. Stay tuned as we reveal to you how you can earn free PayPal Cash with this latest method. Be sure to watch this video until the end. Let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. First, you need to create a PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, setting up is easy. Just go to the official PayPal website, click on Sign Up, and follow the instructions. Make sure to provide accurate details, like your email address and a strong password. Once your PayPal account is ready, the next step is to choose how you want to get paid. While you can do direct bank transfers, using PayPal means you'll get your money faster. For those who aren't familiar with PayPal, it's an online payment platform that lots of people use for safe and easy transactions. Signing up is free and available from anywhere in the world. Now let's get into the exciting stuff, making money through affiliate marketing on AFFplus.com. This website lets you promote different offers and earn money without dealing with products or shipping. Instead, you focus on promoting offers from different companies. One of these offers is a fantastic $1,000 PayPal gift card. To grab this opportunity, head over to AFFplus.com and search for PayPal 1000. You'll find various offers that give away a $1,000 PayPal gift card in exchange for an email. These companies are keen to grow their email lists, and as a reward, they run exciting $1,000 PayPal giveaways for subscribers. Your job is simple but important. Collect those emails. The company offering this deal, Olivivo, pays you $2 for every email you gather. Now, let's talk about how to become an affiliate partner with Olivivo. Once you've found the offer, click on it to go to Olivivo's affiliate website. Here, you'll need to sign up for an account, which is straightforward. Olivivo offers different ways to get paid, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, so you can choose what works best for you. Plus, they'll assign you an affiliate manager to help you promote the offers effectively. Creating your account is easy. Just provide basic info like your name, birth date, and company name if you have one. If you don't have a company, you can use your social media link like Facebook or Instagram. Then give them your contact and billing details so Olivivo can send you the money you've earned. Once everything's set up, you'll get your special money link. This link is unique to the offer, so every time someone clicks on it and gives their email, you earn $2. This method is so simple that you don't need a lot of experience to start. With our help, you'll be earning money through affiliate marketing in no time.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, let me share with you the top 2 powerful strategies to spread the word about your money link. The first method involves using Facebook's vast user base. Go to Facebook and type "Make Money Online" in the search bar, then click on the Groups section. Here you'll find lots of groups where people gather to explore different ways of making money online. Look for groups with many members, like those with over 100,000 members. Once you're in a group, don't just drop your link or ask generic questions about making money. Instead, find popular posts in the group, especially ones that lots of people are talking about. Follow the example of successful posts, like one where someone shows a picture a landing page with a $1,000 PayPal gift card offer. Write a message emphasizing that there's no need to invest money, watch ads, or sign up for anything, and encourage people who are interested to message you. This strategy aims to spark curiosity and get people talking. When people ask questions, reply quickly and let them know you sent them the link. The goal is to keep the conversation going and get more people involved. By repeating this process in multiple comments, you'll build a network of interested people. With just a little effort in creating engaging posts and interacting with the audience, you'll see your content spread naturally. If only 3 of your posts get attention in these groups, you could potentially get 1,000 people to click on your link, give their email to enter a $1,000 PayPal gift card giveaway, and earn you $2 for each email. While this method might not be the perfect solution, it's a great way to get your first 1,000 clicks and start building momentum. Here's an extended and simplified version. There's another really good way to get the word out. And it's all about using YouTube, which is the biggest place to find videos in the whole world, with about 2.7 billion people watching. This method works because lots of folks are always looking for ways to get free PayPal cash, as shown by how many searches there are for things like free PayPal money 2023, and in following years like 2024. The key here is to make a short video that catches people's attention by showing them something interesting, and you can do this easily on your iPhone or Android phone. Imagine recording your screen as you show the webpage offering that cool $1,000 gift card and telling viewers they can join in by just giving their email. You can make this into a quick video that gets straight to the point about the chance to get some extra cash. Something neat that successful video makers do is they title their videos in a way that makes people want to watch, like earn money in your PayPal account for free, which matches up with the trend of short videos on YouTube. Here's how it works. In the video, creators show different websites where folks can get PayPal money just by giving their email, just like what you'd help your viewers do. And to keep people interested, these creators put their special link in the comments under the video. When people click on that link, it takes them right to the website, where they can put in their email and you get $2 for each one. To do this yourself, you'd make a screen recording on your phone, showing the same website as in the example video. When you title your video, make it catchy, like earn free PayPal money for 2024. Then in the comments, share your special link so people can click on it and sign up. This could really make a big difference. With so many people watching YouTube, your video could reach lots of viewers. That means more clicks on your link and more chances to get 1,000, 2,000, or even 3,000 people interested in what you're offering. It's a smart way to use videos and the idea of free PayPal money to get people interested.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.